This is my minivan. This is what the windshield wiper looked before after 4 or 5 years. This is the replacement. This is the end part of a rear windshield wiper for a 2015 Sienna. You can see this is the replacement that I have. You don't need this attachment, so you can just push it out of the piece here. To push it out, it'll look exactly like the other piece. So you just have to push it out using probably like needle nose pliers or something, and then you can fit it into your windshield wiper. Maybe it's just me or my 2015 Sienna. The windshield wiper won't fit on over here, so maybe it's just me. Since the replacement wiper doesn't fit, I'm gonna just try removing this part and putting it back onto this part. And luckily I can just slide it out. See over here, I'm just sliding it out. And it slid out there, so I'm going to try sliding out all of it. So again, I'm just sliding out the sleeve piece over here. I'm going to put on the original. Hopefully that's all I can do. Using this screwdriver, I was able to put in the sleeve.